Today we're going to talk about energy. Thank you, Kai. We're going to talk about energy. We're going to talk about things that are heavy and things that are light. Okay, everybody say the word heavy. Heavy. Light. Light. Okay, so heavy takes a lot of effort and a lot of strength, right? If something's heavy, it takes a lot of effort and strength to lift something heavy up, right? I know you're getting ideas. Hold on, let me finish talking and then we'll share some of those ideas. So maybe if I wanted to show heavy with my body, Faison. If I wanted to show heavy with my body, I could stomp or punch. So let me see what that would look like. I can stomp heavy. I can punch heavy. Okay, so this is all heavy movement. I'm trying to show you heavy with my body. I could, yep, you're right. Could you lift me? No. No, you're right. Heavy. A car's heavy. We could not lift a car. Next is light. Okay, light can lift off the floor, and if you drop something from high that's very light, it's a slow time for it to drop all the way down to the floor. Okay, because gravity. Okay, so either if something's heavy, gravity will pull it down. If something's light, it takes a little bit longer to fall. Okay, so maybe light could be like you're floating. Can you hear my feet? Shh, listen, can you hear my feet? No, you're hearing my hips crack, but you're not hearing my feet. Okay, so it's like I'm light, like I'm floating, gliding, and being soft. Thank you, Ulysses, for raising your hand. What's something that could be light?
Water.
That's interesting. Like rain? Are you thinking about rain when rain's falling and falls lightly? Okay. Gabriel.
Are you talking about like when something up and you drop it, it will go down?
Yeah, when it falls down.
You know, like you go out of space, you're in a spaceship, but if you go too close to that planet, you know, like you get pulled down.
You get pulled down. So you're thinking about outer space? Actually, things kind of float when you're out of space, right? Because there is no gravity.
If you're too close to the like, you know, any planet, you go, like, you know, the Earth, you go down.
You go down?
Yeah, I learned that in a movie.
You learned that in a movie? Thank God for movies. Brayden.
The sun.
The sun is light?
Yeah, it's on fire first.
Oh, you mean light as in...
Oh, light as in color?
But we're talking about how it feels when you pick something up or when you move or you
Oh,
touch
yeah.
the light.
I got it now.
Hold on. Lamar, save it for later.
A house?
Is a house light?
No. Oh, it's heavy.
It's pretty heavy.
Heavy. Oh, a Lego's light.
Lego, yeah, compared to some things. Now, I have two objects here. Hands down. Hands down, I need you crisscross applesauce. I have two objects today. Okay, one hand I have a CD case with all of my CDs in there. And the next hand I have a scarf, okay? Now I'm gonna drop both of these and we're gonna see if we can tell which one's heavy and which one's light, okay? We'll be able to tell this to see which one falls quicker and which one maybe makes a sound, okay? Just watch.
The CD.
Which one was heavy?
CD.
How did you know that?
Because
Thank you, Kai, for raising your hand.
it has a lot of CDs.
It has a lot of CDs in there too. Why else would I know that this one's a heavy one? Chance.
The one I forgot.
You forgot? Faison.
Raise your hand.
We're not shouting out.
Because it fell down quickly.
It fell down quickly, didn't it? Yes, Ulysses.
Oh, and it's not flat.
And it what?
It's not flat.
It's not flat.
Not like the red one. It's not
Well, it is pretty flat actually on top, if we're talking about the shape.
I mean, it's, not, the shape because it's kind of like a cube.
Kind of like a cube. Are you guys working with shapes? It must have stuck. Gabriel.
You see how you see how that one moves fast because you have to be like, paper. The paper goes slow when you go down. But when you let go, sometimes it will move the other way fast and will go down slowly.
Good. So we're going to actually talk about paper in a little second. I'm glad you did that. Let's watch it again. Tell me, can you hear the scarf falling? No. Let's listen. I'm going to put this behind. Let's listen. Listen carefully. No. No. You can't because it's light. CD case, heavy. You can hear that one, okay? No, sitting down. Now I'm going to ask the help of Miss Perez. Can you drop one and then I'm going to fall. Listen, Cruz, you should be watching because you're going to try this in a second. I'm going to fall at the same time as both objects, one at a time, okay? But I'm going to fall safely, so which means I'm probably going to use my hands to brace my landing, okay? So I'm not going to just fall to the floor. I'm going to fall using my hands so I can protect my body, okay? So let's watch both, and then you're going to get a chance to do that, okay? Here we go. Oh, maybe, I'm sorry. Yeah, could you maybe just toss it up so it kind of gets a little air? Yeah. You heard my bones. Good. So that I try to fall lightly. Now let's watch the CD case. No, you can just drop that one. Okay. Let's do both again. So you're going to try this. Notice again, I'm using my hands and I'm bending my knees to get down to the floor. So I'm falling heavy and I'm falling lightly. Stand up. You're going to try this. Stand up. You should, and actually, can we all take one step backwards so we get a little bit more space away from the person next to us? Kai and Kusai and Bella, come forward just a little bit more because you're too close to objects over there. That works for me. We don't know which one she's going to drop first, so let's pay attention. And I'm going to be looking around the room to see who is doing it the best and who's doing it safely. Okay. We don't know which one she's going to drop, so focus on the objects. Pretty neat. Pretty interesting. Let's do that same one more time, just so I can choose somebody. Chris, stay right there, friends. Crisscross applesauce, eyes on Kusai. Stand up, Kusai. You're going to show us what you did. We're giving him the attention that he deserves.
Please have a seat unless your name is Kasai. Thank you.
Nice. Let's give a round of applause. Okay, everybody stand up. Let's try the next. Nice, Kusai. That was interesting. Nice, strong arms. Ah! I heard noise. Why did I hear noise? Let's try it again. There should be no noise at all, but you should still be falling slowly and lightly. Let's try that again. I think I have to see that again to make a clear judgment. Unless did you see anybody? No? Okay, let's do it again. Shh. So when you go slow, lightly. Oh my goodness, Brayden, I have to choose you because it was pretty dramatic. Everybody, crisscross applesauce, eyes on Brayden. Oh, wait, Brayden, you haven't seen the scarf. Watch the scarf so you fall at the same time with it. that was still kind of heavy. That was heavy landing. Bella, can you show us? Nice job.